was great to see students give voice to the things that were important to them. And it was also great to see them be affirmed by each other, to know that the things that they cared about, other people cared about. When we got to the end of the experience, I think what we saw was young people, perhaps for the very first time, giving voice to what they wanted to see. They wanted to see a president who had a degree of empathy. They wanted to see a president who was working on behalf of everyone. They wanted to see a president who not only was working on behalf of everyone, but that was actively trying to bring everyone together. That they kind of felt this level of division that is very present in our country right now. And what I saw, what I heard them saying, through their responses, was that they wanted to see that change.